Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have been following along, you know I have been sewing a few pieces for my upcoming trip, and today we are on project number 3. I'm super excited because we are making these gorgeous circle palazzo pants. Now for this one, I'm actually drafting my own pattern and I'm gonna take you along with me. It's really easy and beginner friendly. In fact, we will be drawing the pattern directly on the fabric, so no paper pattern needed. For this project, you will need about 3 meters, which is 3.5 yards of fabric. I'm using this one with the most beautiful bright colors. It's a mix of orange, yellow, and lilac. I can already see these pants flowing in the breeze. Okay, let's jump right in. Step 1, always wash your fabric first so it doesn't shrink later. I already washed and ironed mine, so we are ready to go. Next, let's talk measurements. Grab a notebook and write these down because you'll need them later. So you'll need your hip measurement, your waist measurement, and your pants length. Perfect. Now fold your fabric in half so you've got 2 squares of about 1.5 meters each. Then fold again into a triangle shape. I'll pop up a picture up here so it's easier to see. On the corner of your triangle, measure 10 centimeters and draw a line. From that same point, take your hip measurement, divide it by 3, and add 9 centimeters. That's the number you'll mark going down. For me, that's 49 centimeters. Then take your hip again, divide by 4, and add 8 centimeters. From your first line, measure that distance down. Mine comes out to 38 centimeters. From here, I'll draw a horizontal line and then go up 11 centimeters to start shaping the crotch curve. Once you've done that, measure your pants length plus 1 centimeter for the hem. Mine is 90 centimeters. And mark it all the way across. And there you go. That's basically your pattern. Super simple, right? Now, let's cut. Once your fabric is cut, find the center point of your pants and mark them down. On the front piece, go 2 centimeters down from the waistline and draw a little curve. If you've got a curved ruler, use that. Mine broke, so I just freehanded it. From the crotch area, measure 2 centimeters, draw a vertical line and cut along it. That small adjustment is what makes the difference between the front and the back. And now for the fun part, sewing. I started by pinning and sewing the crotch seam, then serged and pressed it down. Next, I pinned and sewed between the legs, finished the edges with my serger, and gave everything a good press. For the bottom hems, I like to fold them twice for a really clean finish. Now the waistband. I didn't have enough fabric left for one long piece, so I cut two rectangles, each 60 centimeters long and 12 centimeters wide, and joined them to make a 120 centimeter band. After sewing and serging the sides, I slipped an elastic inside, pinned it to the pants, and stitched it in place. Finally, I serged around the waistband to clean it all up. And now, moment of truth, here are the finished pants. I'm so obsessed with them. I love how comfy and flowy they are. If you give this pattern a try, I would love to see your version. Pop a picture in the comments. I would be so excited to check it out. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. And now, moment of truth. Here are the finished pants. I'm so obsessed with them. I love how comfy and slow and flowy they are. If you give this pattern a try, I would love to see your version. Pop a picture in the comments. I would be so excited to check it out. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next piece. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.